The first step in trying to become who you need to become, who you want to become, is aligning yourself with truth. What is truth? Truth is nothing but reality for exactly what it is. Nothing more, nothing less. Reality for exactly what it is in the present moment, in the here and now. When you do not accept reality, that means you might be in denial of your situation and of the environment, of the world around you. That means you are denying truth. And the truth can only be one. There cannot be two truths. Wishing for things to be different than what they are, expecting a different kind of reality to be just given to you, is the denial of truth. Once you accept reality, once you accept the truth, you can compose yourself in a manner that allows you to proceed in a more holistic way towards your goals and dreams. By accepting reality and accepting truth, I do not mean that you just accept your life for the way it is and do nothing about it. What I mean is you accept it and do not wish for it to have been in a different manner. Be okay with what it is in the moment. Once you make yourself okay with that, you can allow yourself to grow into the person that can change their life. Do not wish for the world around you to be different. Accept it for the way it is. Once you accept that there are a lot of things that are beyond your control and that it is futile to be upset and frustrated with those things. You can focus on the things that are in your control. And the only thing that is in your control is your mind, is your own actions. Wishing for a different reality is equivalent to denying reality. And that makes you an entitled person. You wish for things to be done for you, to be given to you. That's not how life works. It is futile to wish for things to have been in a different way. They simply are not. And they cannot be. Once you accept the present moment, once you fully accept it, you'll realize all your anxiety, all your frustrations, all your anger, they seem to melt away. And once you embrace the present, you can start working towards a mission that is meaningful to you. But you must be aligned with the truth.